I'm here to save the day. Again.
I didn't bring you here. You came in that.
What? The wardrobe?
It may look like a wardrobe to you, but
That's because it is a wardrobe.
it is in fact a magical transportation device for crossing dimensions. Obviously someone sent it to get you, and for some reason it brought you here.
Okay, I can dig that. Can you get it to send me home now, please?
It's not that simple.
How did I know he was going to say that?
In order to generate the 1.21 gigawatts of power, we'll need some pretty special fuel. It's called mucusade.
Mucusade? Don't you mean...
It's the most potent source of raw energy in the world.
Okay, where can we get some?
Unfortunately, it's extremely rare. The only place they might have some is the castle treasury.
Right.
I'll repair the wardrobe while you're gone.
Doesn't sound like this one will take too long. Where's that bloody castle anyway? All right if I have this?
Certainly.
All right if I have this?
Certainly.
Hi.
How are you getting on?
It's a rotten, stinking world out there.
Are you any closer to finding the mucus